No manifestations, only the small ones if you're lucky. You woke up today and still nothing happens. We're going to fix that today, but you need to listen to the whole video. And at the end, if you're good, I'm going to give you a fantastic freebie about how to manifest in seconds. But listen now. You're doing all you can. You spend hours every day manifesting, not working. You need to watch all of my videos to figure out how to do that in seconds because it's far easier than you were taught and it's far more aligned and happy and wonderful to manifest because that's what manifesting is. It's supposed to make you feel fantastic and not, oh my God, I need to manifest again. I don't know how I'm going to do this. There's not enough time in a day. No, we're going to shorten everything. We're going to streamline it, get rid of everything you're doing and do what I teach you in my videos, which is 1 second manifesting. But to start at the beginning, Jana Green, international award-winning success and manifesting coach, and I teach people how to manifest at the speed of light. Why? Because I do. It's easy. I'm telling you, people, it's natural. You've been doing it since before you were born. You are masters at this, and some people put you in your head that you need to do affirmations, ask affirmations, 369-555, wear yellow t-shirt, whistle, and hold parrot in your right hand. Not how this shit works, okay? So get rid of all of that and do what I'm telling you to do. Watch all the videos, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I release a new video so you can get this free blueprint. You're not manifesting because your self-love and beliefs, and I'm going to explain. This is my favoritist, my own definition of self-love, which is self-love is doing all the things which lead me to what I want. Only the things which lead me to what I want, which means I choose the right thoughts, I choose the right actions. End of. Because you have been suffering for decades, haven't you? Failed relationships, not enough money, being maybe bullied, in toxic relationships, God knows what else. You suffered, some of you have traumas, and you want your life to change. But you need to start picking different shit, different thoughts to what you are picking up now. And how we are going to do that. So now you know that self-love, the highest form of self-love, which universe will listen to, is thinking and doing the things which are congruent, meaning aligned with what I want. Quick definition, quick example. You go to Kmart and you want to lose 10 pounds, right? And here you are. Oh my God, so do I pick yogurt or chocolate? But I really fancy chocolate. I'll do chocolate. Not self-love. Is chocolate congruent with losing weight? No, it isn't. It may be high in antioxidants, I grant you that, but it will not help you lose weight. So you need to pick something else. You need to pick something what is healthier and has less calories, possibly not sugar. That's the failure. You did not love yourself enough to make the right decision. And that needs to stop if you want any success in life. You need to start making the right decisions. So non-congruent beliefs and actions and thoughts is what's killing your manifestations. Because every failure can be backtracked for years, literally can be backtracked for years to the 1 second when you made the first wrong decision. And then you make another one, another one, another one, another one. So you made thousands, tens of thousands wrong decisions and got you to the point where you are. Well, you need to start making the right decisions to completely change your life, to do the famous 180. And it starts with, I love myself so much that I will not allow to make any more bad decisions because I know where that ends. And I will only make the right decisions from now on. And your life will change within hours, days, weeks. That's what it is. That's what self-love actually means. This is the mother of all definitions of self-love. doing things which are congruent with my desires. And it's really not that difficult. You just need to keep thinking, am I doing the right things? What are my options? Which is the best option which gets me to what I want? All options which get me further from what I want go away. I'm only sticking with the thoughts, actions which lead me to what I want. It's that easy. People, please stop overcomplicating shit and pay attention to your thoughts. Are they congruent with your goals or not? If they're not congruent with your goals, you need to change them. Hence, find censoring your thoughts videos I made several of them. So let's give an example. You have a thought about, well, I want 100 million, but Jana, I cannot go to your manifesting HQ. Yes, you can, and you should, because if you want to manifest instantly, you need to. The last person who joined made 25K in 3 days by help in the manifesting HQ. Link below in the video description. Jana, but I can't do that right now. Wrong decision. Not me being after your money, but it's a wrong decision. You want 100 million, but you're afraid to pay little money to get there when there's proof that people get results. That's a wrong fucking decision. And it doesn't matter if it's me or if it's someone else. Someone is offering you in marketing, in health, in everywhere, is offering you a solution, and it's a reasonable, provable solution, and you say, no, but you want to have great teeth, but you refuse this solution, but you want to have great body, you refuse this solution. You're not being congruent with your desires. Period. So you will say, okay, if I join and I do what Jana says, I will manifest also 25K in 3 days. Why wouldn't I? If I don't do that, I will manifest nothing or very little or free coffee. What do I do? Just an example, people. I'm not trying to sell you a thing. Do you understand? This is how it works. Same for me. I want to have a better skin. Well, me bitching and moaning, called BMW, bitching, moaning, whining, will do nothing for me. That's not congruent with my desire. Congruent with my desire is using more castor oil, using red light, using organic cosmetics. That is congruent with my desire. But bitching and moaning and doing nothing about it and not investing in what I want, of course I'm going to look horrible. That's it. Yeah, so let's say I bought this wonderful machine last week. It works. It works in seconds on my face. Love it, adore it. I had to invest. I had to do something to get my result, which is fantastic, flawless skin, which makes me look and feel great, and that's it. You have to do things which are congruent with your desires. But if you're just thinking about your desires, but not being congruent with what you want, it's never going to happen. Do we understand it now? I couldn't explain it any easier. I'm really trying. Okay, I'm really doing it. But yeah, it's up to you. For those who hang around till the end of this video, in the description of the video, there is a freebie, no strings attached, how to manifest in 1 second. Go download it, have fun with it. And guys, manifesting is easy and natural. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.